I'll tell you a little story that actually just happened today. I was on a sales call with a potential client who works in sales, marketing, operations. He sort of said, "Oh, you should probably be talking to my IT department." This is a perfect example of a gatekeeper. He didn't even know that he had the right to talk to someone like us to help him with his digital transformation. IT's always been seen as this mythical creature. So they hold on to all the technology. They give you output based off of some requirement, and pretty much all the budget and all of the resources need to be approved and gone through them. It's a great thing for continuity, for security. Like, we don't disagree with that. But as a business leader, you can take on some of that initiative and try to improve your digital transformation internally. We find ourselves working with departments, finance, sales, marketing, and they're leading the charge for taking control of their own data.